If you own one of the millions of hobby drones, it's possible that you're about to be grounded. It's your Wednesday Consumer Tech Update brought to you by T-Mobile. Their advanced network now goes farther than ever before. Visit T-Mobile.com/55 today. The Federal Aviation Administration says that there are some 2 million civilian drones in America, and almost every single one was made by a company in China called DJI. Following a few news stories that drones have been seen flying close to and over U.S. military bases in Colorado, Wyoming, and Nebraska, and near America's nuclear missile bases, the BBC is reporting that the U.S. Department of the Interior is recommending that all Chinese-made drones, even your hobby drone, be grounded. They're afraid that China has put technology in there to spy on America's infrastructure. For some reason, this story hasn't been widely reported by the U.S. media. As of today, no official word has come from America, only from the BBC. I'm Kim Komando. Hey, don't forget to get our other podcast, Komando on Demand. You can find that wherever you get your podcasts, Apple, Google, or your favorite podcast player.